Okay, I just wanted to show you real quick how you can use this print even if you don't have a vinyl cutter. You're just gonna take the print, and I'm using a little canvas art board. You can use whatever you want. You could even use one of those pizza pans. I just didn't have one. But kind of fold it down if you're using one of these canvases around the edges, and that's gonna help you to keep it centered. Because in just a minute, I'm gonna, well, actually right now, I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do with that. You're just gonna take some graphite paper, and this stuff is great. You can use it over and over again. They even make it in white, so if you wanted to do letters on a black background, you could even do that. But make sure that you put the shiny side down, and then put your print back over that. And you don't necessarily have to use one of these white charcoal pencils, but I'm going to, just because it's easier for me to see where I'm tracing. So yeah, and then you're just gonna trace around these letters. And again, the white charcoal just helps me to see where I'm going, but that is not an absolute necessity. You could do it with just a regular pencil just as easily. So just trace the inside and the outside of each letter, and that's going to give you some good guides to go by. So that's just going to give you some good little markings to go by, and now you're ready to paint. If you get some stray graphite marks like I have just here and there, you can just erase them with a regular pencil eraser. It's not going to be a big deal. Now I'm just going to take my black Posca paint pen to just paint around the markings that are going to show me where to go. And there it is. Probably not the best lettering job I've ever done, but I did it just really quick, and it's really easy, and you can do it, you know, you can go back and touch up if you need to, and these Posca markers are just the best things ever. I've tried the Sharpie paint pens and some other kinds, but these are amazing. So yeah, basically I just wanted to show you that there's a lot of versatility in the way that you can use these prints and designs, and this is one of them. If you don't have a vinyl cutter, if you don't do the whole Cricut or silhouette thing, you can still just basically trace the print onto whatever you want to use it on and paint it with a Posca marker, and you're done.